Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. Disregard all the mess back there. My little guy right here, those are all his toys. I put them away, he grabs them right back out again. But I wanted to do a DIY. It's going to be really simple, really easy. If you guys have seen these at the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store, grab a couple. I just found a candlestick that I really liked online, but it was $21.99. And I'm like, well, I could just take one of my dollar store ones and make it exactly the same. So it costs $1. Plus I have my, what are they? They are the permanent quick drying paint markers from Arteza. Sorry, you're getting a glare. From Arteza. So I picked out the gold one. So I will show you a picture of the original one at the end of the video. But literally all you do is you take one of these guys, you make sure they are nice and clean, and then take one of your pens, and I'm going to go down so you could see here. Whoop, let me see. We got this. Hold on. Okay. So, we're going to take this pen, and it is one of those markers that you have to kind of feed, and this is a gold one. So I'm just taking this, and then you push it down to get that ink, because this is the first time I've used it. So you can see it comes out so nice and shiny. And then you're going to take that and you're just going to rub that right against the line. And it makes such a nice line because it's already got its angles there. And then you can go right over the angles. And then you're just going to go down the next line. And you're just going to do that all the way around. And it's going to come out super cool. So just all the way around. And your lines are going to come out straight if you just hold it at that angle. And then make sure you don't touch it with your fingers as well. You don't want that to rub. And you're just going all the way around. And then I will show you a picture at the end. And I also have this gray one and this black one. And I'm going to do it all the way around for you because I think it'll really be cool if you stacked the three on top of each other as well. So I think I picked this one up at the, woo! When you get that, just mark it off real quick before it dries. There we go. And just go all the way around. This is really cute. I'm kind of being a little quick here, but you can make them really, really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and do this all the way around, and then I'll show you a finished product when it's done. And then the bottoms you can take off really easily. But I think I bought this one, like I said, at the 99-cent store. I know they have them in different colors at the Dollar Tree as well. So pick your favorite, and then I am also going to, once I'm done, I'm going to take them side by side, and then I'm going to take my glue gun and glue around the top and stack them because I really want mine to be a modern kind of geometric candlestick. So I think that'll be really cute. So, all right, I'm going to keep on doing this, and I will let you see the finished product in just a bit. All right, I got the first one done, and now I'm going to just do the second one up, and we're going to go ahead, again, same exact thing. You could change the colors if you wanted to, but I think it's going to look good in any color. So, I mean, that's with the gray. And then let's look at the black and see how that turns out. I think the black's going to look really good. Oh yeah, look at that. You could write people's names on here. You can monogram. And again, these are the Arteza paints that I'm using. I'll put the link down below if you guys wanted to get any of these and try them yourself. And then once they're dry, they are on there. So, I mean, there we go. We're not moving that anywhere. So, I think it's really cool. So, I'm going to do these up. I'm going to finish them off. And then I will take some pictures of it for you. And then what we'll do is we'll stack them on top of each other, because that's what I want to do. And then we'll see what happens if we like it, and I'll hear what you guys have to say. Okay, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, how cool are those, right? Aren't they super cute with that, just that little extra? And then especially this one, I think it so looks like the one that was on Amazon for $22. But now I want to stack them in top of each other because I want it to be one candlestick, and I think that would be super cute. So I'm going to go ahead, and I think we'll just go from the darkest to the lightest, maybe like that. Or we'll put the white in the middle. Actually, that might be even cuter. It is. And I think that is super cute on its own. So I'm going to go ahead, put these around the way that they would fit best. Yep. Oh, I'm super excited. So I'm just going to take my hot glue gun now. And we're going to put it right on there. I'm going to go all the way around. You could use some E6000 as well if you wanted to make sure it's completely permanent. I like to have options, so I'm going to do it in this. And then I'm just going to line those edges all up like that. And then I'm going to do the top one. There we go. Oh, that's super cute. Isn't that super cute? I like it. All right, beauties, look at that. For what? How much was it? $3. And then the cost of the pens, but you know, I keep these around. I use them over and over again. So again, I'll put the link down below if you guys want to get any of these. I'm going to be using my pens a lot this week just because I feel like doing some painting. And if you like these DIYs, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe because I have a whole bunch. Look, I've made them into little packs here. See that? All my DIYs here. So we've got DIYs for you. All right, beauties, have a wonderful weekend. I hope it's going well, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.